Hello everyone, so welcome to all of you in my full master course on Wondershare Filmora 14. So, in this particular course you will learn how can you create amazing AI videos with the help of Wondershare Filmora 14. So, as you know that Wondershare Filmora has recently launched its latest version, which is 14, and it comes with many AI features. Okay, so we will discuss each thing in our next videos, and this particular lecture would be very basic lecture. This particular lecture is totally designed for beginner. Okay, in this particular lecture I will guide you basic things about video editing. How can you edit your video in effective manner? Okay, so if you don't know anything about video editing, so this video is for you. But if you already know about some basic features of video editing or Filmora, so you can skip this video. Okay, but according to me you should watch this video too. Okay, so this video would be very basic lecture. Okay, so now let's start with aspect ratio. So what is aspect ratio? Aspect ratio means resolution of your video. Suppose here you can see we have a 16:9, so which means landscape or web resolution. Okay, and if I will click on 9:16 ratio, which means mobile resolution. Okay, so 16:9 means horizontal resolution, which is landscape, and 9:16 means vertical resolution, which is basically used for reels or Instagram shorts, YouTube shorts. Okay, and if you want to create video in another resolution, then you have to click on more, and when you will click on more you will get many resolution like 1:16, 4:3, 4:5, and for cinema 21:9 and 3:4. So you can choose any of them. So you have to make sure that before clicking on new project you must select your aspect ratio. So I have already selected my aspect ratio 16:9. Now I will click on new project. So let's click on new project. Now, as I have already told you that this particular lecture is already designed for beginners who don't know about basic things about video editing. Okay, so let's start with its interface. So at the left section of screen you can see import section, where you can import video, audio or images. So whenever you have to upload or import any file into Filmora, you have to import it from here. Okay, suppose you have to add video file, image file and audio file, you can add it from the here. At the right section, this is a preview section where you can watch your video, images. Okay, and you can play audio here. Okay, and finally at the bottom section, this is your video timeline, this is your video timeline, this is your image timeline, this is another timeline, music timeline, text timeline. So this is a timeline section from where you can manage, cut, delete your video, audio, music, anything. Okay, so this is a main thing. Okay, and you can see at the top bar section we have a many option like media, stock media, audio, title, transition, effect, filters, stickers and template. Okay, so currently we are in media section, and if you will go on stock media, then you will get free 4K videos. You can search anything from here, Galaxy, you can search anything from here and you can download it. And as I have already told you that whenever you will play anything, its preview will be appear at the right side of screen. Okay, so whenever I will play it, you will see its preview at the right section. And if you want to edit it, then I need to drag it towards the downward direction. So this is our video timeline. Okay, now let's play. We can add another video. Let's download anything. You can download any video, and this is completely free to use. So let's drag and drop similarly. Okay, nice. So this is a stock media section from where you can get free 4K video. It is copyright free, so you can use it anywhere. Okay, and also you can change its position. Okay, you can change its position. And if you want to hide, let me clear you first thing. As you can see on screen, we have a two timeline, first and second. You can say timeline or layer. So let's call it layer. So we have a two layer, first layer and second layer. Okay. So if I will play my video, then you will notice that only first layer is only first layer is appearing because first layer is above the second layer. Okay, and if you want that second layer should be appear, then it should be on top. Okay, so this is a very basic things about video editing. Also you can hide any timeline from here. A small eye icon, let's click on it to hide this track. So first layer have been hide. Okay, so this is a very basic things. And from this section you can expand your video. It does not means your video length will be increased. It only means that you can expand it. Okay, and now you can edit it. Suppose I have to cut my video from here, so I will click on this small scissor icon, and now finally my video have been divided into the two parts, first part and second part. Okay, so this is my first part of the video and this is my second part of the video. So suppose I have to remove first section of my video, so simply I will click on it and I will delete it. Okay, and I will press on keyboard Ctrl+Z for undo. Suppose I have to delete second part of the video. Then I will click on it and delete. Okay, let's press undo button, Ctrl+Z. Okay, suppose I have to divide my video into the three parts, so press scissor button, again press scissor button. Now my video have been divided into the three equal parts. Suppose I have to delete this middle part, so I will simply click on it and delete. Easy. Let's delete last part. Let's click on delete. Okay, so this is how you can add or delete anything from the clip. Okay, so this is a basic trimming feature of video editing which you already knew. Okay, so this is a basic things. Okay, and if you will go on audio section from the top bar, then you will get copyright free music which you can use in your video. Okay, so here you will get many music, and also from here you can create AI sound effect. We will discuss it later on our course. Okay, and if you will go on title, then you will get many title option. Just you need to simply drag and drop to the timeline. So let's try any of them. Uh, let's play it. Now you can simply double click on it and you can change it. Okay, you can change it. If you will go on transition, then you will see transition effect, which means it is a animation between two different layers. Suppose I will add let's add two different files. First file and this is second file. Now this is a partition between two different files. Okay, so when I will play this video, then it is not looking smooth. So for smooth experience, we need to use transition effect between two videos. So let's go on transition effect and you can choose any of them. So you can watch its preview at the right side. So you can choose any effect. So let's drag this effect and put it between two video layer. Now let's play this video. So this is transition effect. Similarly, if you will go on effect section, here you will get many effects. We will use this feature later on our course. Similarly, filter, sticker and template. Okay, so with the help of a sticker you can add thanks for watching button, subscribe now, like. Okay, so to use this feature you don't know any expert knowledge of video editing, just you have to drag and drop it. Okay, so this was a very basic lecture of video editing which you should know before starting advanced class. Just you have to make sure that your basic concept have been cleared successfully. From the next video we will learn each new features of Wondershare Filmora 14. So if you got useful information from my lecture, then what do you have to do? You have to give me good positive rating and comment. Okay, I will see you in the next lecture. Okay, bye bye.